Hi and welcome to another video tour of Engel Völkers. We're here today in Quinta and I'm going to show you the most magnificent villa. Please come with me. Okay, so before we go into the villa, I'd like to tell you about the Andalucian style that this is built in, but it's also got that modern touch. It's set on a plot of just over 1,000 metres square and the build is 760. So I'm so excited to take you inside, you just won't believe it. It's fantastic. So here we are in the gorgeous living room with the most beautiful Andalusian style. With the vaulted ceilings, I absolutely love that. It really gives a feeling of being cozy. And look where this leads to, this beautiful view that we have. So for any golfers watching, this could be your dream home. This villa is situated in the heart of Quinta. Quinta has so much to offer, restaurants, golf courses, everything. You can get to Puerto Banús within 10 minutes, you can get to Marbella within 15. You can join the AP7, which takes you right into La Cañada, again 15 minutes. This villa also enjoys an elevated view, which is perfect being on the front line of golf, because really there's not a chance, even if I was playing, to get a golf ball in this garden. You're very safe here. The heart of the home, the kitchen. So this needs to be a good size, and this is exactly what you have here. You've got the American fridge, you've got lots of cupboard space, beautiful ovens, everything is perfect, but plenty of room for lots of people. However, if you prefer to be on your own, you can always close the doors. The house is distributed on 2 levels, 3 bedrooms on this upper level and 2 bedrooms below. There's also the most amazing spa area. But first, let's go to the master bedroom. So here on the right, we have a lovely walk-in wardrobe and the ensuite. And here we have the most beautiful master bedroom with the vaulted ceilings that's continued from the lounge area. And also from here, we have beautiful views of the golf course. So on this floor, we have 2 amazing sized bedrooms, both en suite. The great thing about it, they go both of them onto the garden, but they're very private as well. So a really, really nice area. To the left, we have a cinema room, which was just brilliant. And then to the right, we have one of my favorite places, the wine cellar. And then we go to the really great area, the spa. What an absolutely fabulous area this is. It's perfect for friends and family. You have a sauna and a shower room just over this side, and you can use it for 12 months of the year. Well, as you can see, you could probably have hours of fun here, but maybe pool's not for me, being as I actually potted the white ball. But anyway, maybe roulette is a better thing. Number 30, 29, so close. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. You can find many more details in the description box below, and please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye.